Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the thin-born aramid fiber super slim case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, I've actually been using this case here for the past few days on this device right here, and I gotta say, for a super slim case, it's actually a very solid case. Now, as you can see, I do have the box here over to the left, just to kind of give you a quick look at what the unboxing experience is like. So as you can see, we do get some thin-born branding and then that aramid fiber design all the way around the box. Actually, very nice presentation we get here. Opens up just like this, and that's where we will find the case facing up like this. But the case is not the only thing that comes in the box here. I actually already have it installed on my device, but it actually also comes with a tempered glass screen protector. So if you look closely here up at the top, you'll notice that I am using that tempered glass screen protector on this device. And it's actually very easy to install. You just gotta make sure your screen is nice and clean. And when it comes to the usability, as you can see, it works perfectly fine with that in-display fingerprint sensor. Let me go ahead and do it one more time. Bam. One more time. Bam. Now, I did have a buddy message me saying that he tried his screen protector that came with his, and he was kind of having problems with that in-display fingerprint sensor. So I'm not really sure if he got a dud or not, but at least for me, with my experience with this one, as you can see, it's been working out fine. Responsiveness is great. I have had no problems with this screen protector that comes with the case right here. So it's nice because, you know, when you get a super slim case like this, it's not going to provide you the most protection. It's really just going to be, you know, more for style and just to kind of protect your device from light falls and maybe some scratches if you happen to be sliding your phone around on its back. So it's not going to provide the most protection when it comes to that front display. So it's nice that they add this tempered glass screen protector. That way you are getting full coverage for the back and the front. But let's go ahead and pop the case on the device itself. But really quickly here, as you can see, yes, it is MagSafe compatible. It's also reverse wireless charging compatible and wireless charging compatible. Slaps on just like this, and it actually has a nice secure fit on the device. So it's definitely not going to fall off of your device if you happen to accidentally drop it. It's actually kind of hard to take off your device, to be quite honest. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the butt to kind of push it off. And as you can see, the right side is easier to push off, but when I try to get this left side off, I can't always, let's see, I'm trying to do it here on camera so you guys can see what the struggle is like. Let's see. Yeah, I can't, it's a little hard. You kind of really have to use some force, whether you're doing it from the top or the bottom. There we go. Let's see. I got it, almost got it. Almost got it. As you can see, it's a little hard to take off of your Pixel 9 Pro. I gotta say, that's the only thing about this case right here that's can kind of be a pain in the butt sometimes. It's just trying to take it off of your Pixel 9 Pro. But if you don't plan on taking it off of your device, as you can see, it looks really, really nice on this phone right here. Let's get a close-up at that design in the back. You get a little bit of thin-born branding there at the bottom. Get that aramid fiber design all throughout the case. And you do have a bit of protection for the camera there. As you can see, it gives you a little lip all the way around. So you got a little bit of razivity if you happen to, you know, just put it flat on its back like this, maybe slide it around. If you happen to accidentally lightly drop it, it gives it just a little bit of lift right there. So those lenses are not touching any flat surface. So just a nice little touch there. Nothing really over here to the left. Looking up at the top, you get those cutouts there. Going over to the side, the power button and the volume rockers are exposed, just making it easier to find. Going down to the bottom, we do have precise cutouts for that speaker, microphone, charging port as well. And yeah, this is the aramid fiber super thin case from Thin-Born. Like I said, it has been a very solid case, and I have been using it for the past few days. The only thing that has really been bothering me about it is just when I do want to try and take it off this device, you kind of have to use a good amount of force. The last time I took it off, I actually took it off on the sides here, because I noticed the top right and the bottom left are the easiest to push off, and boom. As you can see, the case will come off like that. So if you are gonna take this off, I do recommend using the top right and the, or the bottom right, I guess, top right and bottom right, as you can see, and that will push the case off. But if you're trying to do it from just the top itself or the bottom itself, you're gonna have quite a bit of a hard time. But I guess at the same time, it is nice because, you know, it's a secure fit on your device. It's not going to fall off of your phone or easily slip off of your Google Pixel 9 Pro right here. And then of course, with it being so slim, It's not going to add too much weight to your device. It almost feels like I'm not using a case at all. And these types of cases are nice for people who don't like using cases, because it's kind of like, I always say, it's kind of like a reusable skin. It's a skin that you can reuse over and over again. When you're not using it, you put it away. When you're ready to use it again, you just slap it back on your device. You know, with the regular skin, you can't reuse it. So this is kind of like a reusable skin that's going to give you just a bit more protection than a skin. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Again, this is the thin-borne aramid fiber case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you do find yourself interested in this case right here, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out. Thank you.